Now, this guy Ringtone, I think he has learned the hard way, especially after that scandal, bro. Now, in case you're not aware, this guy Ringtone was involved in a scandal where he was accused of hosting a sex party. You feel me? Claims that he came through and denied, citing that him, having come from far, owns a very beautiful home in Runda, and once in a while his friends ask for permission to host their party at his garden, and that whatever they does, he should not be involved in it, bro. Yeah, that he locks his house and he goes away, leaving his friends to enjoy the party. And in this case, that is what he revealed happened. And now, since then, seems like this guy learned the hard way, you know, to expose stars before they go far. Yeah, because through his Instagram page, Ringtone just came through and exposed a lady who was trying to seduce him via WhatsApp, bro. Now, Ringtone posted a screenshot showing a chat with the lady who sent her a picture of behind, which I'm not gonna show you because you guys already know that YouTube ain't shit, bro. Anyways, man, this lady went ahead and asked Ringtone, "You don't visit Mombasa?" Ringtone said no, and this lady sent a pic of behind right there. Ringtone, surprised, went ahead and said, "Jesus Christ, son of Mary Magdalene." Yeah, and the lady was like, "Invite me to Nairobi," and Ringtone said, "I refuse the demon of election in Jesus' name," bro. I know he meant erection and stuff. And well, this lady responding said, "It's not the demon, I'm a human being and I have feelings for you. You have ignored me for 3 good years," bro. You can imagine. And Ringtone, I think, you know, evaluating and seeing that probably this lady will come through in the future and expose him, he decided to go first, where he went ahead and posted that screenshot right there, as you can see, through his Instagram page. And he went ahead to caption this, and I quote, "Demons and temptations, women of God are awake every day. All in all, we will defeat Satan in Jesus' name." Yeah, that is what he went ahead and said after he went ahead and exposed the lady who was trying to seduce him, bro. But I would have loved if he went ahead and showed us the chat before, because he just cut that place the lady sent the behind, bro. So what's up, Ringtone? You guys, anyways, man, what do you guys think about that step by Ringtone right there? Well, it's not adding up. Anyways, what do you guys think? Go ahead and drop your thoughts down in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, blitzguy.ke, and I'll see you in the next one.